Hi everyone, Margot McKinnon here, and today I've got another installment for the RSI series, the Repetitive Strain Injury series. So that refers anywhere up and down this quadrant here, right, from hand right up to the neck. And today we're going to focus on the neck, and particularly one aspect of what we need for the neck, which is to mobilize, okay? So what I'm going to ask you to start with is a funny thing. You're going to put one finger or two fingers right on the bridge of your nose. And you're going to try and stay quite tall again without really forcing the position. Okay? And then just make a little nodding motion. I don't know if you can see from the side, from the bridge of the nose. We often think of nodding from the chin, right? But here, you're nodding from the bridge of the nose. So just a little bit of pressure down on the nose to help create that motion. And some of you will feel a bit of lengthening in the back of the neck. And if you're really lucky, you'll start to feel a little bit of activation in the front. Right? Okay, so let's just do a couple more here. From the bridge of the nose. Okay, good. So now just rub around at the base of the skull at the back. There's two bumps back there. And just a little bit of stimulation with your fingertips. Okay, and right from there, or just below top of the neck, you're going to start to turn your head side to side. And it doesn't mean you'll feel it at the top of the neck, but I want you to picture or imagine or focus on moving from way up high, right under the base of the skull. You don't have to go far, okay, but trying to turn up high in the neck. Okay, good, and we'll pause there. All right, so now you're going to imagine a sideways figure eight, or like an infinity sign. Tap the tip of your nose and start to draw that sideways figure eight with the tip of your nose. So it's not big, you're not trying to go really wide here. Keep it actually quite narrow. And feel for the loops. See if you can get them to feel really even side to side. Good. Okay, now even better if you can look to one side and look to the other, which may make you feel dizzy, so if you don't like the feeling, don't do it. Okay, but packs even more of a punch when you get the eye motion. Okay, and pause. Put your fingers now just on your chin on one side, and you're going to kind of draw a smile with your chin up to one side so your ear sort of tips, not directly over the shoulder, but almost. And then the same to the other side. And just keep going one way, other way, tipping and tipping. Right, and you might feel a little bit of a stretch sort of toward the side back. Okay. And we'll do one more each way and back to center. Okay, now after doing that, go back to the bridge of the nose, right? And try that little nod again. From the bridge, remember that's where you're initiating the motion from. And you may find that it feels like your neck, the back of your neck, elongates a little bit more. And like I said before, that extra bonus of maybe a little bit of activation in the front. Okay, let's just do 2 more to finish here. Good, and pause. So that takes care of some movements for the neck, okay? And my next video looks more at stabilizing the neck. Okay, so come back and see me and we'll do that one together next.